It takes a lot of courage and a reliable vehicle to drive in wintry conditions. This is the Arvidsjaur region in northern Sweden. Volkswagen and other European car manufacturers test their vehicles here on the frozen lakes. Today, we'll be putting the VW Arteon through its paces in sub-freezing temperatures. The LED headlights have been built deep into the grille to give the Arteon a sporty look. The vehicle measures 4.86 by 1 meter 87 with a wheelbase of 2.84 meters. The standard equipment includes LED headlights and taillights, daytime running lights, keyless access, chrome strips on the side windows, and 17-inch alloy wheels. With all those features, you might consider the Arteon a luxury car, but it's a lot more than that. VW spokesman Martin Huber says the main thing that they wanted to do was to call attention to the Arteon's driving dynamics. It's equipped with four-wheel drive and a powerful 205-kilowatt 2-liter turbo engine that gives the vehicle a lot of traction and good response. You'll notice the smooth ride right away and the excellent interaction between car and driver. We've brought along a professional driver to help us with our test. Now we'll see what this car is really made of. But these wintry conditions require some special equipment. Matthias Kahle says we're using studded tires, which provide proper traction while you steer. If we didn't, we'd have to drive slower and wouldn't get much reaction from the front axle.
Sehr langsam und man hätte wenig Reaktion von der Vorderachse.
Matthias knows all about driving under extreme conditions. He's a 7-time German rally champion. He says the four-wheel drive and control systems make it easy to drive this car on ice. Matthias says that rally cars often slide around on the track. You often can't steer, and the car just sort of drifts. And when you're driving on ice like this, it's really helpful to have that sort of experience, so that you know what to do. But anybody can learn to drive on ice. It's really not that difficult.
Nicht unbedingt abhängig von der Vergangenheit, die man hat. Das ist eigentlich auch gar nicht so schwierig, das Fahren auf Eis.
And it can be a lot of fun. People who visit the driving experience track can climb behind the wheel themselves. Instructors are there to help. Matthias says that the most important thing to remember as you drive into a curve is to slow down. He checks out the curve visually and then brakes to an appropriate speed. Once he's put more weight onto the front axle, he oversteers a little until he's through the curve. Then he can start accelerating again. Driving in extreme conditions like this can help you improve your skills, so you'll feel comfortable behind the wheel in just about any situation. But make sure that you do your test drives in areas that are authorized and supervised.